Dovetail joints are almost every carpenter's favorite because they easily allow you to join pieces of wood together in the simplest way possible. However, it is something that requires a lot of precision and is quite time-consuming as well. However, if you have a dovetail jig, making such joints can be done in several minutes. Thus, if you are looking to buy a dovetail jig, this article includes some of the best options picked from the market. As you go through the listed options, make sure to look for the following features. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best dovetail jig from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Porter Cable Dovetail Jig. Out of all the options mentioned on this list, Porter Cable is one of the best brands out there that specializes in selling high-grade dovetail jigs at attractive prices. Thanks to its rigid aluminum construction and design, this dovetail jig is built to last for a long time in your garage. It's quite ideal for woodworking effectively, as it can easily cut stocks ranging from 1/4 to 1/1/8 inches thick. Moreover, its ergonomically designed handles on the sides allow the user to have a firm grip on the machine at all times. Along with the machine, Porter Cable provides template 4215 and template 4213 for making half-blind dovetails and box joints easily. Apart from that, if we talk about its size, it supports 12 inches stock width, which is pretty standard considering the pricing. Moreover, the manufacturer provides a 3-year warranty for this dovetail jig. Number 2. General Tools Woodworking Dovetail Jig. Moving to the next dovetail jig, we have quite an affordable option available from General Tools, which has a very good brand reputation in the market at the moment. The best part about this dovetail jig is its compact nature, which allows users to operate it very easily. In fact, it is quite handy and comes with a 12 inches stock width. Thanks to the one-piece aluminum layout, it is easy to align and make the cuts with sheer precision. This dovetail jig even includes a dovetail joiner tool, along with a single 14-degree 1/23 dovetail router bit that you can use in any of your projects. With this jig, you can easily make half-blind dovetail joints and box joints without any fuss. Speaking of the stock thickness, you can use wood with thickness ranging from 1/4 to 1 1/8 inches comfortably. Number 3. Rockler Dovetail Jig. If you are looking for a high-end dovetail jig, but don't want to go too harsh on your pockets, Rockler is one of the best brands out there, well known for its woodworking tools. With the innovative design and high-grade template present on this jig, making a half-blind dovetail is quite effortless even for beginner users. Moreover, this jig is designed in a way so that users can make long-length cuts on the wood with high accuracy, without making any mistakes at all times. The overall design of this jig is quite compact, and it's also pretty lightweight too, so users can easily adjust and work with it. Moreover, there are 2 holes also given at the bottom, that you can use for the permanent installation of this jig in your workbench. Speaking of its features, it has an 11 inches stock and supports 1/23 to 3/43 thick stock. Number 4. Leigh D4R Pro Dovetail Jig. Leigh is definitely one of the best brands when it comes to making tools ideal for woodworking. Thus, if you need something for professional work, it is the go-to brand. The Leigh D4R Pro 243 Dovetail Jig is one of the best dovetail jigs that is often recommended by most professionals because of its brilliant build quality and features. One of the most attractive features of this dovetail jig is its one-piece aluminum extrusion base that provides support as well as extends its longevity. Compared to standard dovetail jigs, the D4R Pro is a unique model that features a 24 inches wide stock and allows you to use wood of up to 1/1/4 inches thick. In addition, Leigh also provides 3 carbide router bits along with this jig that you can use in your projects. Number 5. Woodhaven 7660 Router Table Dovetail Jig. Last but not the least, Woodhaven is yet another good brand that you can choose to go with if you are looking for something durable and in the mid-price range. Since the design of this jig is quite innovative and well engineered, it is built to offer better stability and control as compared to other standard jigs. This jig allows you to make precise cuttings and make half-blind dovetails. You can comfortably use this dovetail jig with a 1/2-3/43 thick wood and make cuttings on an 11.75 inches long wood plank. Along with the dovetail jig, Woodhaven also offers a 61780 carbide tipped 14 degrees dovetail bit that will help you make precise height adjustments. Moreover, one of the best parts about this dovetail jig is that it comes with a lifetime warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.